It's an exciting feeling knowing that better sleep is just around the corner. Before your new personal comfort bed arrives, I'd like to share some helpful tips to prepare you for the delivery of your new bed. Please make sure you have removed your old bed and bed base before installing. We recommend having 2 people set up your new sleep system. You can see in this video it's me and my wife Bree setting up our new personal comfort bed. You can do this by yourself, but we really recommend having someone help you. If you ordered a power base with your bed, you will want to set that up first. Lift the power base out of the box. Then unfold the power base. Attach all the legs to the power base. Some power bases come with adjustable legs. You can see here we are installing the legs at their maximum height. They install simply by screwing them in. Now might be a good time to also plug in the power adapter. Flip the power base on its legs. Next, you will locate the retainer bar. Please install it at the foot of the base. Go ahead and plug in the power base. Install batteries into the remotes and give it a try. The remotes should automatically work with your new power base. If your order came with 2 power bases, please repeat the previous steps. If you have any bed frame furniture, now would be the time to install it. Next, we will install the bed. First, you will want to unzip the end of the shipping bag. Go ahead, slide the bag off the mattress. The mattress will be protected by clear plastic wrapping. Please unwind the plastic wrapping with your hands. Once you have the wrapping off, you can unroll the mattress towards the foot of the bed. Then, cut open the mattress bag. The mattress should start to recover from its compressed state. Once you cut open the bag, go ahead and slide it off the mattress. Next, you will locate the air hoses at the head of the bed. Go ahead and pull them out. Next, we'll hook them to the air control unit. Locate the box that came with your personal comfort bed order. It's about the size of a shoebox. Inside, you will find an air control unit, power adapter, and wireless remotes if they were included on your order. If you have a power base, go ahead and raise the head of the bed. This will give you some extra room to place the pump under the bed. The pump must be positioned with the hose connections facing the head of the bed. Please make sure you hook up the correct side of the pump to the matching side of the bed. The left and right sides are determined when laying in the bed on your back. Now go ahead and plug the pump into a surge protector. We recommend using one just in case. We highly recommend using the Personal Comfort app to control your new bed. There is a very user-friendly process to hook up the sleep system, and it only takes about a minute. And then you can completely control your new bed right on your phone. If your order came with wireless remotes, after you install the batteries, the remotes should connect right away. You will need to select which side of the bed you wish to control on the wireless remote. Go ahead and inflate your new bed. I recommend going up to at least 20 for each side. It might take up to 10 minutes to fully inflate, but once inflated, your new bed is ready to use. Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of your own personal comfort mattress. Now it's time to get a great night's sleep.